Hello, and welcome to the latest edition of NIMES 3 Days Weather Forecast. This edition is expected to run from Thursday to Saturday, and we'll start looking at the dew point temperature profile across the country. Dew point temperatures are very essential when it comes to cloud development, and it could also affect the level of comfort on the surface. We'll look at the ITD positions and where it's likely to stay from today to the weekend, and it's likely to maintain an average position of about 9 degrees to 10 degrees north of the country. This area is being distinguished by areas where we have the yellow colors and areas where we have the blue colors. Areas around the green colors are likely to be places where we are not likely to see any kind of activity, rainfall activity I mean, till the end of the year. And as we move into Thursday and Friday, we expect these positions to be maintained and the moisture supply mostly limited to areas around the south of Abuja, and this should affect most areas around the inland cities of the southeast and southwest. And it could also bring up some weather activities over most cities in the Niger Delta axis, and part of the inland of the southeast and out of the southwest as well are still likely to see 1 or 2 episodes of thunderstorms before the end of the year. And as we move into the forecast, we look forward to mostly sunny conditions over the northern cities, and this should give room for temperature rise over most cities in the north. Over the south, we expect it to be mostly partly cloudy and cloudy with some chances of thunderstorms over the high ground of the southwestern cities of Ilorin, Shaki, and Isheyin in Oyo State. Over the southeast inland and the Niger Delta axis, there are also possibilities of thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours over parts of Bayelsa, Warri, the Niger Delta axis, and also places around Port Harcourt and Calabar are also likely to see thunderstorms on Thursday evening. We look forward to temperature rising to as high as 40 degrees Celsius over the northwest of the country. And as we move towards the northeast, temperature could also range between 37 to 39 degrees Celsius over parts of Nguru and Maiduguri. Around the central cities, temperatures are likely to hover between 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. And over the southern inland and the coastal areas, we expect temperature to rise from about 30 to 34 degrees Celsius over the inland cities of the south. And as we look into Friday, most areas are also likely to maintain the level of stability that we saw on Thursday, with most areas in the north likely to maintain their sunny conditions in good visibility. However, as we are not expecting any incursion of dust at this level. Over the inland and the southern areas, we expect places to be in partly cloudy and cloudy conditions with some chances of light mist in the early hours of the morning. And as we move into the afternoon, we also look forward to some few chances of thunderstorms over the coast of the southwest of Lagos and Ibadan, part of the coast of the southeast of Port Harcourt and Calabar as well, are also likely to see some thunderstorms in the late evening hours of the day. Temperatures are still likely to maintain their range between 36 to 39 degrees Celsius. Over the north, the central areas will have temperature around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius over most cities, while part of the south will also have temperature around 31 degrees over the coast to about 34 and 35 degrees Celsius over most of the inland cities of the southwest and that of the southeast. And we look forward to Saturday also being very pleasant for outdoor activities over most cities of the country, as most areas are likely to have either sunny conditions or partly cloudy conditions. This should give room for good atmosphere for outdoor activities. The afternoon will also likely maintain status as the morning, but most likely areas around Port Harcourt and Calabar are still likely to see some short-lived thunderstorm activities in the evening hours of the day. The southwest should get a breather from weather activities on Saturday, which will be very pleasant for those who are looking forward to hosting their outdoor events. We expect temperatures to also rise to about 39 degrees Celsius over most northern cities. The north central are likely to have temperature around 37 degrees Celsius, while the central areas will still maintain temperatures around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius, with Gombe rising to about 38 degrees Celsius, and areas in the south and in the inland of the south will still have temperature around 30 to 34 degrees Celsius in most cities, most especially parts of the inland areas of the southwest, which could see temperature rise to about 35 degrees Celsius. And that's where we'll leave you for the weather conditions we expect as we approach the weekend. We'll make it important to give you updates as we look forward to dust incursion in the next coming days over the country. And that's where we'll leave you. I'm Olubi Adedamola. and thank you for watching.